We're looking here now at a scarce early 19th century geography book aimed at younger readers. What distinguishes this and makes this interesting is the fact that it is complete, and each of the maps within it is uncommon. This is an interesting astronomical plate here, and aside from the text, we also find, of course, it's interesting here too is that the dates vary from each other on the maps, and as we get farther back, we do come across a series of continent maps. Here's an 1815 map of South America. And it's interesting because they are just as issued. Note the inset tab on the map here. This is often the type of stub that remains, and that's why the margins on old maps are often uneven. And notice the very wide margins on two sides here. And then we have this map of the continent of Africa, which is worth noting this rather unusual and curious range of mountains here, starting with the mountains of the moon, which are named, and then coming down to just be completely speculative in the middle of the interior. And the final map here, no, actually not the final one, there's one more after this map of Europe, and that is North America right here. And this is dated 1816, and this scarce French book is complete as issued. Notice the end paper is waste paper, scrap paper from some other printed source. Same here as well. Very interesting. An early, very early original paper-covered boards. It's available on my website, briandemambro.com.